OnePlus, we have confirmation now because of a tweet from OnePlus that their event on March 23rd will officially feature a smartwatch, or at least something you wear on your wrist. This was rumored. It's not a surprise. They were supposed to put out the 3 phones and the smartwatch, and now this tweet comes out, which is very teasy, but shows all the components necessary for a wearable, for a watch. And I clicked the same thing you clicked a number of times, and it wrecked me to the point where I should have warned you. What you have to do is just click the tweet instead of the link, up top. Or go to OnePlus's Twitter account.
But then I have to look for it. Right?
No, I meant click on the tweet, exactly. There you go.
There's no the hand pointer?
Yeah, you just click on the big portion of the tweet. Anyway, so it's a little slideshow, I guess. Well, it's actually a video upload, but it's essentially a slideshow showing what is definitely a wearable, because you're seeing the shapes that would be required to make a wearable, including that one, which is a wrist strap, and that one, which shows the holes, the punch holes in the wrist strap that obviously go to a watch. And so we're going to have a OnePlus smartwatch. I think it makes sense. I start to look at this stuff and realize, wow, they don't have one yet. Yeah, why not do one? I mean, they're so connected over there as far as the sister brand Oppo is concerned. We've seen their smartwatches. So it's like, oh yeah, what would OnePlus's take on such a thing be? We know they can do the hardware, at least tap into the hardware. And I always love what they do with the software as far as keeping it streamlined and not bloating it up.
Yep.
A real question here is around the software for me. Are we getting Android Wear? What's that going to look like? But we have confirmation. You're going to see a OnePlus smartwatch. Cool.